Hello everybody, it's once again time to clean the floor. Today I have Fabuloso Original Multi-Purpose Cleaner with baking soda. Orange scent. For all the citrus cleaner fans, take a look at the label. Long-lasting freshness, we'll see about that here in a little bit. The back label. And there it is. Let's go over to the cloud cam. Of course, I don't expect any clouds with this product. Now over at the cloud cam, longtime viewers know 1/8 cup per gallon, 30 milliliters, 2 tablespoons, however you want to say it. It's all the same. And I'm usually a little generous. That does smell nice and citrusy. Got a orange tint to the water. So let's go back over to the floor cam and get to work. Back over at the floor cam. As usual, I will go over the floor twice, rinsing the mop out in this solution right here, between rounds and at the end of the mopping. Also, this is a nearly 70-year-old floor. It's not going to be perfect. And it's about as good as it's going to get. So let's go ahead and get started. Round 1. Round 1 is complete. The hull is filled with a nice citrusy aroma at this point. Looks like it's doing pretty well on the floor as well. Round 2. Round 2 is completed. Let's take a look at the after. Got some suds. Water is a bit darker than it was when I started, so there was a bit of dirt tracked in here and there over the last week. Once again, cleaning the floor with Fabuloso Original Multi-Purpose Cleaner with baking soda. Orange scent. Thank you for watching.